Introduction to Electric Machines Part 1A. Types and Fundamentals of Electric Machines. Now this is the first part of Topic 1 in the series of electric machines. In this part, we will try to answer the following introductory questions. What are electrical machines? What are the different types of electrical machines? What are the basic operating principles involved? In simple words, electrical machines are defined as a device in which principles of electromagnetics are involved to convert electrical energy to mechanical energy and mechanical energy to electrical energy. So the electrical machines which involve rotating parts are called dynamic machines, and those having stationary parts are called static machines, right? So the dynamic machines include our typical generators and motors, and on the other hand, static machines include transformers. Now, generators are machines which convert mechanical energy to electrical energy, and motors perform the task of converting the electrical energy to mechanical energy. This is the basic principles, and we all know this. In this series, we will focus on generators and motors because we've already covered transformers in quite a bit of details in other videos from General Pack. Now, we look at further classifications of electrical machines, right? Well, it's quite conceivable to categorize electrical machines based on AC and DC. Here, the AC machines can be divided into two main types. There's the synchronous machines, and then there's the asynchronous machines. In synchronous AC machines, there are synchronous generators and synchronous motors. Then the asynchronous AC machines include induction machines, which can be used as an induction motor and induction generator. Similarly, as we can see, there are two types of DC machines. There's the DC motors, and then there's the DC generators. In the end, they can all be used according to either single-phase and three-phase configurations. Now let's see what are the basic principles involved in electrical machine operation. As we have discussed that machines convert electrical energy to mechanical energy and vice versa, the principles of electromagnetism are applied. In fact, it is an interaction of magnetic fields and electric field and its surroundings which leads to the conversion of energy from electrical to mechanical and vice versa. And this effect is called electromagnetic induction. Now, we will have a look at the fundamental laws of electromagnetic induction that make machines work, which are Faraday's law and Lenz's law. Now, according to Faraday's law, the EMF or voltage induced in a coil or a conductor is directly proportional to the time rate of change of magnetic flux linking the coil, right? And the negative signs implicates that Lenz's law would suggest that the direction of the induced current is such that it opposes the change in flux producing it. So, as previously discussed, the interaction of magnetic field with its surrounding is the basic mechanism by which energy is converted from one form to another form in motors, generators, and transformers. Four types of principles describe how magnetic fields are used in these devices. Number one, current carrying wires produce a magnetic field in the area around it. Number two, a time-changing magnetic field induces a voltage in a coil of wire if it passes through that coil. This is the basis of a transformer action. Number three, a current carrying wire in the presence of a magnetic field has a force induced on it. Now this is the basis of a motor action. And number four, a moving wire in the presence of a magnetic field has a voltage induced in it, and this is a basis of a generator action, right? So that's all for this part, and in the next video we will be looking at the application of generators and motors in the electrical power system. Now let me take a few minutes to talk about who we are. We are General Pack, and we make high quality video tutorials about power systems for people everywhere. And we've been making videos since 2015 and established a community around our work, and we promote asking, learning, and sharing information about power systems using YouTube, forums, and webinars. But it does take time and it does take money to continue doing this work. That's why we use patreon.com, which is a way for our community and patrons to support us so we can continue doing amazing things and deliver value. Our patrons get exclusive rewards and perks that's not available for the public. So if you're still watching this, you probably found this video helpful. Please consider donating and supporting us and becoming our patron at patreon.com/generalpack. Thank you.